So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your own LUTs, that means .cube files that you use to import the color codes on your projects. In order to get that, let's say for example, if I applied some Lumetri color effects on my video and I want to export it as a preset or as a LUT. Now, in order to get that, just simply click on the Lumetri color right there and select the option of or what you can do, just simply right click on the Lumetri color, and here you'll see this option of save preset right there. Click on the save preset option, and here you can see you can name the preset as well, and just simply hit OK. Or you can simply export it as a .cube file as well if you want to. Under the creative section, you can find the settings that you have done, and once you are satisfied with your changes, just simply export it as a LUT that you can directly import it from using this basic correction tile. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.